Imagine waking up in 2025 and realizing something incredible. Money is no longer a stress, no longer a struggle. You're not just surviving, you're thriving. Sounds like a dream, right? But what if I told you that there are real, practical ways you can build wealth this year, no matter your age, background, or experience? Stick with me, because today we're diving deep into every way to get rich in 2025, explained in a way that's simple, actionable, and even a little fun. Now let's get one thing straight. Getting rich doesn't mean becoming an overnight billionaire by luck alone. It's about strategy, consistency, and knowing where to focus your energy in a world that's changing faster than ever. And trust me, 2025 is a year packed with opportunities that previous generations could only dream of. From technology and investments to skill building and personal branding, the paths to wealth are broader than ever before. Before we go further, imagine this: your future self 5 years from now, looking back at this moment. Are you the one who acted and learned, or the one who stayed on the sidelines? Because the truth is, the seeds you plant today, no matter how small, can grow into massive financial trees tomorrow. And here's a bonus. This video isn't just for people who want to get rich. It's for anyone who wants to learn every day, improve their English or any language, and change their life for good. So even if you're just starting your journey, by the end of this video, you'll have a roadmap to wealth that you can actually use. So let's start with the first major path to wealth in 2025, leveraging your skills and knowledge.
First, let's talk about monetizing what you already know. Skills are more valuable than ever. In 2025, companies, startups, and even individuals are willing to pay top dollar for expertise in areas like AI, programming, content creation, digital marketing, and even niche hobbies. Think about it. If you know how to code, even at a basic level, you can build software, apps, or websites for clients worldwide. If you're good at creating videos or writing, there's YouTube, podcasts, or freelance writing platforms waiting for your content. The key is understanding what the market wants and delivering it better than anyone else. Real-life example. Emma, a 24-year-old from Spain, started creating short, fun tutorials about AI tools on TikTok. Within a year, she was earning 6 figures through sponsorships, online courses, and freelance consulting. Her secret? She didn't wait to be perfect. She just started sharing what she knew and improved every day. And here's a little humor for you. Think of skills as seeds. Some grow into giant oak trees, some into bonsai. But if you never plant, you'll never get shade or money. Next up is entrepreneurship. 2025 is a gold mine for small businesses that solve real problems. The internet allows you to reach global customers from your bedroom. Whether it's drop shipping, print on demand, handmade crafts, or coaching services, there's a market for almost anything. The key is solving problems people actually have. For example, let's say you notice a gap in eco-friendly kitchen products in your city. You can start an online store, create a social media presence, and test products with minimal investment. Many people think entrepreneurship is glamorous, yacht, and champagne style, but in reality, it's about smart planning, persistence, and small wins that compound over time. And the beauty is, these paths don't just give you money, they teach you language, networking, and problem-solving skills. That's right, learning and earning go hand in hand. So even if English isn't your first language, engaging with global clients will improve your fluency and confidence while fattening your bank account. But skills in entrepreneurship are just the beginning. Let's move to something many people overlook: investments that actually work in 2025.
All right, let's talk investments and passive income, the things that make money while you sleep. But before we dive in, remember, there's no magic formula. Even the smartest investments carry risk. The goal is to understand your options and take informed steps. Stocks and ETFs. Traditional investing isn't dead. Stocks, index funds, and ETFs are still one of the most reliable ways to grow wealth over time. The difference in 2025 is access. You can now invest from your phone,
sometimes with zero fees, and learn the market as you go. The trick is not chasing trends, but investing consistently and diversifying your portfolio. Cryptocurrency and digital assets. Yes, crypto is volatile, but 2025 is seeing a shift. More adoption, more regulation, and more tools to earn interest or yield on your holdings. Think of crypto as high risk, high reward, and always combine it with traditional investments for balance. Real estate made simple. You don't need to own a mansion to profit. Fractional real estate, REITs, and rental arbitrage let you invest in property with minimal upfront capital. Imagine owning a piece of a city skyline while sipping coffee at home. That's real passive income in action. Side hustles and digital real estate. Websites, blogs, and online stores can generate recurring revenue if done smartly. For instance, affiliate marketing or monetized blogs allow you to earn as you sleep, long after the initial work is done. Here's a tip for 2025. Combine your skills with investments. Teach online courses about investing, write ebooks, or create digital products about financial literacy. You're not just earning, you're creating assets that grow over time. And here's the kicker. Humor and learning make wealth building stick. Laugh at your mistakes, celebrate small wins, and never stop experimenting. Wealth is a marathon, not a sprint.
Finally, let's talk about mindset and daily habits, the invisible forces behind every wealthy person you admire. Without the right mindset, even the best opportunities can slip through your fingers. Learning every day. Wealthy people are obsessed with learning. They read, listen, experiment, and adapt constantly. In 2025, the internet gives you access to unlimited free and paid knowledge, courses, podcasts, forums, and communities. The more you learn, the smarter your decisions, the faster your growth. Consistency over intensity. You don't need to work 20 hours a day. You need steady, focused action. Writing just one article, posting one video, or making one investment consistently compounds over months and years. Networking and relationships. Money flows through relationships. Connect with mentors, peers, and clients. Share value without expecting immediate returns. The law of reciprocity is real. Help others, and wealth finds you. Healthy lifestyle. Yes, health is wealth. Sleep, diet, and mental clarity affect your productivity and decision-making. A tired, stressed brain makes poor choices. A focused, healthy mind seizes opportunities. Mindset hacks. Visualize success. Practice gratitude and embrace failure as feedback. Each mistake is a lesson. Each lesson is a tool. And each tool builds your wealth castle brick by brick. So, what's the final takeaway? Getting rich in 2025 isn't about luck. It's about combining skills, entrepreneurship, smart investments, and the right mindset. It's about starting small, learning every day, experimenting, and never giving up. If you take just one thing from this video, let it be this: action plus consistency plus learning equals wealth. No gimmicks, no magic. Just practical, real-world steps that anyone can take. Remember, this journey isn't just about money. It's about freedom, knowledge, and personal growth. Every day you learn something new, you become richer, not only in cash, but in life. If you found this video valuable, hit that like button, share it with a friend who wants to level up in 2025, and subscribe for more motivational, educational content every day. Because changing your life isn't a one-time event, it's a daily habit. And together, we'll explore every path to wealth, clarity, and success in this fast-moving world. Now go plant your seeds, take your first step, and start building the life you've always imagined. The future is waiting, and it's rich with possibilities.